Evening all, Remarks here, back again with another video, back again with another tech video. A company by the name of Wondershare got in touch and asked if I'd like to make a video about their recovery software called Recoverit. So if you've got sort of a camera or a hard drive or any sort of media device and you've lost files, either you've deleted them yourself or anything else, you can use the software to recover it. So originally I was kind of like, is it kind of related to my channel? Will you guys be interested? But then I kind of thought, well, yeah, it is. Because I actually ended up using it. I was out and about with some of my 360 cameras. I've got all sorts of 360 cameras here. And I actually genuinely messed up and lost a file. So this camera here, what I did, I went out and I did some shoots and I was taking just a couple of photos with each camera so I can do some sort of comparison video. And I took all the photos, I got back, I took the memory cards out, I was transferring to the PC, I was doing all my stuff to kind of, you know, turn them into 360 photos and that sort of thing. And I got to the end, I was trying to kind of edit something together and I realised I had one missing. A photo from this one. So there's one single photo on this camera that I took. This is the Sphere 360 camera, and I didn't have the one photo on this. And what I'd done stupidly is I was going through and I was just wiping the memory cards after each one, kind of thinking, you know, they're just kind of quick photos. It doesn't matter if I kind of, you know, don't have these backed up on the memory card. Bad thing. You should always keep your photos until you're done. Don't wipe your memory cards. But I did. But I lost the photo that I wanted on this camera. So handily enough, I thought, well, might as well give it a go. So the Recoverit software allows you to recover 10 photos for free, which is ideal because I only need one from this one. And then you can pay extra to get like a monthly, yearly or a lifetime license, and you recover other stuff like photos and files as well if you want to. And hopefully you guys will appreciate this video. I know it's a little bit different, and I'll be honest, it is a sponsored video by Recoverit, so they are paying me to do this video, but not paying me to say anything positive or negative about their product. They just wanted me to try it and do it on video. So hopefully you appreciate that I do need to eat. I am a YouTuber and I'm a small YouTuber and I don't make a lot of money out of YouTube. The more sponsorships I can get for kind of related products and whatever to my channel is only a good thing, because then that frees me up to do less actual real world work and do more YouTube, which is better for you guys, hopefully. That's if you kind of want to see more of my face. So let's jump in, let's have a little look at the Recoverit software and the process you have to go through to get your photos back. Here we are on the Recoverit website. As you can see, it allows you to recover sort of photos, videos and audio files, which is handy if you've got sort of a camera these days with memory cards and that sort of thing, so you can recover from memory cards or even sort of your hard drive and that sort of thing. You can recover 10 for free, so you can try this out for free without sort of any cost. All you do need to do is create an account with them, but that's free as well. And you can kind of see there's lots of other things you can do with it. But all we need to do is click download. That'll download that to our desktop. There we go. And once it's downloaded, I can then just click on it there and click install. You probably can't see that because it's in the corner of my screen, but obviously when you download on Chrome, it goes to the bottom of your bar. I am speaking in English. Some would maybe say that's not true. I think I speak too fast sometimes, and it's surprising how many people ask me, what do I say at the start of my videos? So we'll add desktop shortcuts. They don't know what I'm saying. They don't know I'm saying evening all. I obviously say it a bit too fast. So let's click finish and then launch. It automatically opens the web page where you can get it. So it looks like a 1-year license is $40, a lifetime license, or no, 1-year license even of the ultimate package, ooh, some extra features, is $60. So I mean, I think for you and anybody, you know whether you need this sort of thing, because it can be quite expensive. If you've lost something important, you can recover like a whole drive of photos this way, and this could be really important. So where has that memory card gone? So here we go. I've got the memory card out of that Sphere camera. I'm putting in a little memory card reader, and I'm going to stick that in my PC, and that should then pop up. Pink. There we go. Let's close that there, and then you can see external drive. Here we go. We click on that. It's a 60GB drive. Click start, and what it'll do, it'll then sort of scan it, see what it can find. It does, even on the free trial, it scans everything and then gives you the choice of what you want to recover. So even as a free bit of software, like I had one file I needed, and I was like, oh, that's annoying. I don't want to go back out, refilm it. It'll be a different day, different weather, all that sort of stuff. It's not a fair sort of comparison between the cameras sort of thing. So I really wanted that file back. I didn't want to go back out and redo it with all the files. But we'll leave that to run. It can take a little while. I'd probably say sort of, depending on the size of the drive, anything from sort of 20 to 30 to 40 minutes, depending on how big the drive is. Obviously a bit longer if you've got terabytes worth of drive to do. But it scans it all and tries to find what it can find. I've just realised I'm actually wearing the same t-shirt on here that's on this poster here. So I'm wearing my Walking Dead poster and t-shirt. But let's skip ahead, let it find some files, and then we'll come back. So here we go, it's doing its scan, it's found some files, so even while it's still scanning you can kind of see what it's recovered. So you can see here, whenever you click on a picture or something that it's found, it gives you a little preview on the right, and if it doesn't look right it means it wasn't able to recover it. So it can't recover everything, but you can have a little sort of click through, trying to find a preview. It's even finding files on that memory card from a long time ago. This person here was in a film that I did months ago, 6 months ago, maybe more. That I've wiped that memory card a few times since. So it's kind of quite surprising to think that data doesn't really go, even if you wipe it or delete it, it's still there. So we can kind of have a little click through. Let's find a photo. There we go. Let's just choose this photo here that's still on this memory card, not from a 360 camera, but from when I used it previously. You just click recover down bottom right hand corner. Oh, we do need to stop it first, so let's click pause and recover. Oh no, hang on, we didn't even click the button next to it. So there we go, you need to click the little checkbox, then click recover down here. You log into your account, so you need to create an account with Recoverit, and then you just choose where you want to put it. So we can put it in my hard drive here. This will do. Recover, and then congratulations, the files are recovered, and here's the JPEG. Hey, look, that's me, and look at that spot on my nose. I need to improve my diet, I think. But there we go, there's my Oculus Go before I even put any stickers all over it. Back in the old days when I first started, look how empty that backspace is now. Look how many more figures and pop figures I've got. Ah, I was so fresh-faced. So there we go, it's a quick look at Recoverit. It seems like quite a capable bit of software, especially because, you know, it's got a free trial, so you can download it, recover 10 photos. So it can be from a camera, it can be from your desktop or a hard drive or anything really. If you pay for the full software, you can even sort of recover sort of videos and audio files as well, which if you're kind of professional or you can't get back to somewhere and you want to recover it, you deleted it by mistake, I mean, I've clearly done it, it's annoying. You can use the software to get it back again, which is a big thumbs up for me. Hopefully you guys found that video interesting, and although it wasn't an Oculus Go or VR sort of video, you still kind of found it useful, and you do appreciate that this is a sponsored video. They didn't sponsor me to say anything good particularly about it, just give a quick overview and kind of show what it's all about. But you appreciate that, you know, I do need to eat, so, you know, hopefully these occasional sort of sponsored videos will go down quite well, and, you know, help me do more on this channel and do more videos and more content for you guys. If you found the video useful, give it a thumbs up. If not, give it a thumbs down, that's fine. I'm big enough and ugly enough to take it. But do let me know in the comments down below why you didn't like it, and I'll try and do better for next time. Become one of the Remarkables, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell to be notified when I next upload a video. And that's me done. I'm out. Have a virtual high five.